Overnight beauty tips to wake up gorgeous as a queen. Here are great overnight beauty tips that will help you wake up looking gorgeous every morning. However tired you may feel, it's well worthwhile spending a few extra minutes on your nighttime beauty regime. Remove all your makeup and cleanse your skin thoroughly. Then exfoliate and moisturize before you go to bed. It is the easiest way to keep your skin clear and breakout free. Lengthen your lashes while you sleep. If you apply some castor oil to your lashes, it will nourish them and help to make them grow longer and thicker. Your lashes are no different from the hairs on your head, and they need looking after and conditioning too. Almond oil for dark circles. Try rubbing a little bit of sweet almond oil into the skin before you go to bed, and that should help reduce the dark marks. Shea butter treatment. To give your feet a treat after spending all day on them, massage in plenty of shea butter and cover with a pair of socks before you go to bed. You will wake up with a lovely soft feet and you won't get a buildup of hard skin. Soften your hands. Exfoliate your hands with a mixture of olive oil and sugar and then massage in some shea butter. Pop on a pair of gloves and leave it on overnight, and you will wake up to younger looking and beautifully soften your hands. Aloe vera gel. You can reduce the appearance of split ends by giving the tips of your hair an overnight condition with aloe vera gel. Just rub a small amount into the ends of your hair and leave it on overnight. When you wake up, you should find that the split ends are far less. Honey and cinnamon. Apply a mixture of 1 teaspoon of cinnamon mixed with a tablespoon of honey to the affected area, and it will soon clear up your skin. Moisturize your lips. Applying lip balm or coconut oil before you go to bed, and you will never suffer with dry, chapped lips again. If your lips do dry out, try applying shea butter at night for some rehydration.